So once you've completed setup, you will be brought to the dashboard. The dashboard has a couple of different places that you will want to pay attention to. First, this top bar, you have your search bar, you have your notification inbox, you have your support, you have the blog, quick access, and you have your profile with all of your accounts links. On the left-hand side, you have your dashboard, which is this area. You have campaigns, flows, email templates, lists and segments, profiles, metrics, integrations, data feeds, coupons, sign-up forms, preference pages, image library, and tags. On your dashboard, you have 5 tabs. One is objectives, performance, analytics, lists and segments, and activity feeds. On your objectives, these are things that you want to complete for your new account. And it has things from setting up some of the flows for abandoned cart and welcome series, moving over from an old email platform, uploading lists. So you have a couple of different cards, objectives to complete for your new account. The next tab is performance, and this shows you how your flows in your campaigns are performing. It gives you a bird's eye view for how many conversions you had, flows, campaigns. You're able to see drop down, active on site, canceled orders, checked out, started. So it keeps track of all of your stored information so that you can make the best decisions on your email campaigns. You are also able to switch the time period for these reports. Up top, you'll see notifications for a series that may not be up yet, of course, since this is the first, it's a new account. We have our abandoned cart, we have our welcome series, and creating a sign-up form. Next tab is analytics. You have different analytics that you can view for your account. You have business health check, business overview, campaigns overview, email overview, and flows overview. For your business health check, you can show by a certain time period. You can see monthly open rates, click-through rates, all of the stats that you will need to know to see how your email campaigns are actually doing. And you have a lot of information here, but if you're an analytical person or if you have someone who reviews the stats and analytics of your store and provides you with a report, this is where they will find any breaks in your funnel and a overview and a really deep down view of how this is actually working for your business. Next is lists and segments. These are lists that have been created by Klaviyo. So because we added that we are email e-commerce and we have our Shopify store, it automatically generated these 3 lists, which are potential purchasers, repeat buyers, and VIP customers. As customers are added to your email list and as they shop on your store, these members added today, added this week will start to update. You will be able to view the list here, and it will give you the list of every person that is a member of this list. Last on the dashboard page is our activity feed. It shows what is happening on our store in real time. So you can see who's active on the site, if there's an email bounce, a canceled order, if somebody started checkout. These are all great places that lets us know how our store is performing and how our customer is moving through our store. And you are able to see all of the metrics in one flow, or you can segment them off for just to see a bounce email or just to see a fulfilled order. These are some of the segments that you'll be able to see. So that is your Klaviyo dashboard.